All right, looking outside from the WJZ Harbor Cam. The morning rains are gone. The sun trying to peek out and dry things up. A little cooler actually this morning. First Alert meteorologist Cutter Martin in the Weather Center with improving conditions with a possible hiccup this afternoon. Cutter.
Yeah, Denise, we have the gloom still, so that's one little, a tick away from a perfect 10. Also, we could see an isolated shower or two redevelop as the sun tries to come out this afternoon, but nothing like the storms we had yesterday. Right now on First Alert radar, remnants of those storms now pushing into far southern portions of Delaware. If you have beach plans today, maybe you're leaving early, headed to the beach, you're going to drive into some roadways, but right now, I-70 corridor into the core of the metro, we are dry. Still quite a bit of cloud cover, but we're trying to get a little bit of sunshine in there. 77 your temperature, dew points in the 60s, so a little bit humid, though not quite as muggy feeling as the past 24 hours have been. I do think we're going to break out into a little bit more sunshine. Temperatures responding to the brighter sky, and we'll warm back into the mid 80s this afternoon. Hotter weather is ahead, but that also comes with less humidity. Just have to get through a few spotty showers and storms again tomorrow. Looking near perfect for our long holiday Independence Day weekend. Storm chances back in the forecast next week. We're going to time out these weather changes for you coming up in just a few minutes. Denise.
Come back. Let's take a live look out over the city and the harbor and gray skies out there. And we need to dry out because everywhere I drove to work this morning, Cutter, there was water. There was some real intense storms yesterday afternoon.
Yeah, Denise, we're super soaked, waterlogged. The sponge that is the soil that we live and work over is full. We cannot take any more rain, and that's why it's so good that the rain is just kind of shutting off at the point in which it really needed to. Outside right now, not just drying out, but gradually seeing a little bit more sunshine. Look at the northwest side. We're in the lower 80s in Westminster. Frederick, 82 degrees. Even Hagerstown warmer than Baltimore right now. And that's because sunshine is poking out over there. And eventually we'll see a little bit more sun crossing into central Maryland and the city of Baltimore as well. Right now there is still, though, rain. If you're heading over to the eastern shore, Caroline County in particular, some light showers. And then extreme southern Maryland down towards La Plata, about to cross the river and then get over into the bay. A couple of sprinkly rain showers moving on through. Nothing particularly heavy, and as we go through the afternoon, I think the rest of the day mostly dry, but as we warm back into the mid to upper 80s, case in point, Westminster 89, Baltimore 85, Elkton 85, an isolated shower or two, maybe a weak thunderstorm could develop along I-70. Nothing like the storms yesterday, and certainly not widespread. We're talking very isolated rain, and that's today. Tomorrow in your Maryland cast, actually looking quite gorgeous as we gradually trend drier and drier, sunnier and sunnier. Again, a lot of sunshine tomorrow, an isolated shower, storm a possibility, especially eastern shore and getting into northeastern Maryland. Most of us will just notice the increasing amount of sunshine and a little bit less humidity around tomorrow as well. As far as the isolated rain chance, both today and tomorrow during the afternoon hours between 2 and about 6 or 7. And then as soon as we start to cool and lose the sunshine of the day, we will drop that rain chance. Tomorrow morning, waking up to mid to upper 60s across central Maryland, 68 Westminster, Clinton 69, Easton 71, Cambridge 71. Look at our far western communities in the upper 50s and lower 60s up in the mountains. And with dry air, we cool down more at night, but we also warm back up more during the day. With the clouds popping up in the afternoon and the isolated rain chance, I think we top out about 88 to 90 in many neighborhoods tomorrow. A couple warm spots, though, could get just a bit warmer than that. Case in point, College Park 92, Stevensville 91, Cambridge 90 Thursday afternoon, Lexington Park right around 92. Humidity not, though, that bad Thursday. In fact, Friday, it's going to be warm, lots of sunshine for Independence Day, upper 80s, but this is going to be a low humidity setup. So as soon as the sun gets lower on the horizon and we get closer to fireworks time, 9 p.m., temperatures will cool quickly back into the upper 70s and lower 80s. Saturday's a gorgeous day. Humidity starts to come back in Sunday, high temperature near 90. And then we're going to increase that chance of showers and a couple thunderstorms Monday, but we're dry Monday morning. This is mainly Monday afternoon that you see the green popping up. Same story Tuesday, Denise. Heat of the day, showers and pop-up thunderstorms.
All right, this is a holiday 7-day.
Yeah, and it's going to be absolutely stunning for any plans. Low humidity. So I know we're in the upper 80s, but it won't be feeling all that bad. Humidity waits until Sunday to make a return. And then typical summer pop-up storms, hot, humid Monday and Tuesday.
The words low humidity, don't hear those enough these days.